Assalamualaikum. In today's video, we will learn how to add disclaimer message in Exchange Server 2016. Disclaimer message is a default notification that will appear in all the mail you exchange through your mail server. First, we can see some real-life disclaimer message. Here, this is a mail. Scroll below, you can see a disclaimer here. Information given is correct or at the time of distribution but is subject to change without notice. Through this message, you are being alerted that their given information is subjected to change without notice. Here is another disclaimer message. Summit Communications Limited has taken all reasonable precautions to ensure that this email is error and virus free. Unfortunately, full security of the email cannot be ensured as despite our efforts, the data included in emails could be infected. So this message, the sender is ensuring that their mail is virus free. This is a disclaimer notification demo. Let's go to our server. We have logged into our Exchange Admin Center. Here is some users in our mailbox. Before creating the disclaimer message, let's send a demo mail. This is our administrator user. Send a mail to james@macro.com. Subject, write anything here, and message body as you wish. Click on send to send the mail. The mail has been sent. Let's log in to James user. Here is the mail. There is no disclaimer message now. This is just the mail body. Let's configure the disclaimer rule. In Exchange Admin Center, click on mail flow, then click rules and plus apply disclaimers. Put a name, rule 2. Apply this rule if apply to all messages. To the following, append the disclaimer. The disclaimer message will be appended with all the message. Enter the text, specify disclaimer text. You can here write the disclaimer text that you want to notify the users. Here we are writing, this mail is secured by Cisco Mail Security Appliance. This disclaimer will be sent out to the all mail. The client will notify through this disclaimer message. Here is some coding for HTML code. Let's copy all the text here and paste it into this box. Click OK. There are another option and fallback to actions. Select one. Specify fallback action. We are using reject option here. Click OK. Choose a mode for this rule. We are using enforce. In more options, you can change any advanced feature here like time. Let's save this. Click yes. We are waiting. This is taking some time. Sometimes the server, when it is busy, it will take some time for any customization. We can add the rule is confirmed. You can check the rule again. Let's again send a message from administrator user to James. Subject, mail body, anything you want to send. Login through James user. Here you can see now the disclaimer message appended. This is how you can add a disclaimer message in your mail server. You can customize it like anything you want. Thank you all for being with us.